Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Q&A. Woo! Why am I doing a Q&A? I'm running out of other video ideas at the moment. So if you want to see what questions I have to answer, then stick around. Okay, so I jumped on Instagram and YouTube as well to ask you guys what you wanted to know. So I've got a few questions and some of them are from other YouTubers, so I will also say their names of their channels and link them down below so you guys can check their channels out too because they're all awesome. So the first question that I've been asked is my favourite affordable makeup and skincare. My favourite affordable makeup would probably be the Maybelline range and the Australis range. I find they have really good quality products for cheap, and especially the mascara from Maybelline, and their foundation is really good too. And I find that Australis have some really good pigments, they've got some good eyeshadows, like I love their lipsticks, love their foundations. So I think for an affordable skincare, I don't really use skincare. Like I do, but I got told what I use isn't actually that good for your skin, so I don't really want to recommend it. But I just use like Clearasil and stuff that comes from the supermarket because it just works on my skin, honestly. Like, so I just go to the supermarket if you want to find something that is cheap but works. Yeah, I don't really like giving advice on skincare just simply because I don't know what I'm doing with it, so I don't want to like give a false information, you know? Second question is from Flo Tries Things, so I will link her channel down below in my description as well. She asked me, how did you get your start on YouTube? I watched like heaps of beauty people and kind of just fell in love with the beauty community at that point in time. From what I hear now, it's like a little bit better than what it was last year. It was all like drama. Yeah, I really fell in love with like makeup and beauty and ended up wanting to start my own channel after practicing for a little while and people being like, oh, you're really good. I decided that I would start my own channel and here we are today. Didn't have the confidence, but I did it anyway, and like the more I post, the more confidence I do get because I feel like the more I post, the better I get. So yeah, that's how I kind of got started. Okay, so the next question is from Kashi Dagger. I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong. I will link them down below as well. They asked, who is your favourite pop artist? I love Ed Sheeran. Like, I just have like this thing for Ed Sheeran and his music. He has such a good little voice. So I'd probably say Ed Sheeran, or yeah, we'll just go with Ed Sheeran. Next question is from Holly Elizabeth. I will link her down below as well. What motivates you to continue doing YouTube? I don't know, I just like sitting in front of a camera and not talking because no one tells me to shut up. I'm just kidding. Well, not really, but like, I sort of am. I love putting out new videos and I love sitting down and creating makeup looks, so that's kind of like the motivation to put more videos out, I guess, is like the fact that I love sitting down and filming what I've done so I can look back on it and go, oh wow, like that was a really good look, or could have done better. It's just kind of like it's like a journal that everyone can follow. So that's why I like doing it. Next question is from Drug Queens, which I will link down below as well. Where did you find the motivation to post content during this pandemic? This is literally this pandemic. Because I've had so much spare time, I've wanted to sit down and create. I've actually had time to sit down and create, and my creation has actually my creativity has actually come back for me to create more looks, because I was going through a bit of a rut when I was working 3 jobs and trying to keep a social life and study 2 courses. So my motivation got really lost then, and I feel like now that life has slowed down, I actually have time to sit down and film, and it makes me motivated, I guess. And yeah, that's what's really keeping me going, is the fact I actually have time to sit down and do this, because I was lacking that so much when I was working and everything else. So do I have any pets? Yes, I have a Labradoodle. He is 11, his name is Squish, and then Jake and I just bought a puppy. He is 4 months old, I'm pretty sure, and he is a little golden retriever named Libby. He is gorgeous, and they are my only pets, but we're living at my boyfriend's house at the moment, so there's 6 cats and 2 other dogs here as well. What's been keeping you busy and entertained during quarantine? Makeup. And my partner, but he's just gone back to work, so I am just using my makeup. I'm honestly just using all this time to just flourish in my makeup, to be honest. So that's probably the only thing that's keeping me going, and fitness. So, and cooking. I'm really enjoying baking at the moment. So all those things are keeping me going. What are your thoughts on this pandemic? Stay home until you are told that you can go out. That is my thoughts. I don't want to go too far into it because I know a lot of people have different opinions on it, but like, please just stay home, and for the love of God, just do what you're told so we can all get out of this quicker and another wave doesn't come. Cheers, bruh. What do you want to come from YouTube? People to just see my makeup. That's literally all I want. I want to be able to help other people with makeup, and I want people to notice my makeup. I just love sitting down making videos, like it's my passion, so I just want people to kind of like it. That's pretty much all I want out of YouTube. I don't care if I never get, I don't care if I get 10k followers. I don't care if I just sit on 2k. Like, I just want people to like what I post, and even then I don't really care if people like it or not. Like, obviously there's always going to be haters, but like, I just want people to see it, and I just want people to be encouraged by it, and I want people to follow what I do and use it as their own, I guess. Who is your biggest inspiration in the makeup world? Look, they're all on Instagram at the moment. Like, I used to kind of just follow along with Shani and Michael Finch, and they were kind of my main two. Nikki Tutorials is still like one of my biggest faves. Like, I still love all these people, but they've kind of backed off on the makeup side of things, so it's kind of disappointing, but like, still love what they post, but just put some more makeup out. Like, love you guys for that. Obviously Nikki Tutorials hasn't stopped putting makeup out, but like, she's probably one of my biggest makeup inspirations. Stacey Marie as well, like, just kind of recently found out about her and I'm like obsessed with her. And then there's like a heap of people on Instagram that I follow that I'm just like, oh my god, where did you get this talent from? What's your dream car? My dream car is a Range Rover Evoque, and I managed to buy one last year, so I have my dream car now. So I don't really have a dream, I don't know, like, can you say you have a dream car if you own your dream car? I'm kind of confused. What made you want to get a puppy? Oh, we're going into this question. I love dogs, and we used to have a golden retriever when I was a child, and he was the most beautiful dog ever. So like, ever since he passed away, which was a couple of years ago now, probably like 4 or 5 years ago, I've always wanted one. And then Jake wanted a dog, and I was like, can we get a little golden retriever? And I full cried about it because I really wanted one. So we ended up getting one, and he is the best thing ever. Like, we bought him just before coronavirus hit, so I think like he was kind of meant to be, considering I feel like we would have had nothing else to do, so he kind of has kept us sane, and like, is still keeping us, or me, sane, because Jake's back at work. So what am I looking forward to most once this is over? I am looking forward to going to a bar and drinking like 900 cocktails and being hungover for the next 6 days. I'm just looking forward to like going out for dinner and going out without having to kind of stress, because at the moment, like, we can go out now, but I still get a little bit anxious being around other people, because I'm like, you're not social distancing? Have you been social distancing at all? Like, do you have it? Are you gonna like give it to me? I don't know. I'm just looking forward to like going out and not having anxiety, and actually being able to do kind of what we used to do. Go out for drinks, go out for dinner, go back to work normally. Like, I'm missing work so much. So yeah, like, I'm just looking forward to normal life, honestly. And I'm sure everyone else is as well. There are all the questions for today. I only chose a select few because I didn't want to sit here for hours and just answer questions, and a lot of them were the same anyway, so we'll just stop them there. If you guys enjoyed this Q&A and a little bit about, it's not really about me, I mean, you kind of got to know a little bit about me a little bit more, but yeah, if you like this Q&A, then please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below with what video you would like me to do next, and I will see you all in my next video. Peace!